In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a Shopify API request. Now, whether you're a developer integrating data, or you're just curious about how to enhance your Shopify store with additional functionalities, understanding how to make API requests is crucial. This process will allow your store to communicate and interact dynamically with external platforms, enabling you to offer more comprehensive solutions to your customers. Let's begin by navigating to the Shopify website. If you aren't already on the website, you'll want to open your preferred web browser and enter Shopify's URL. Once the page loads, it's important to ensure you're logged into your account. If prompted, enter your username and password, taking care to do so accurately to avoid any login issues. If you're setting up on a shared computer, remember to ensure your credentials are not stored by the browser to maintain security. When you've successfully logged in, next up is to head to the Settings menu. You'll find this option generally in the lower left corner of your dashboard. From there, click on Apps and Sales Channels. This is where you can manage various integrations and third-party apps that your store might employ. The next step, crucial to our agenda, is to click on Develop Apps. Don't be surprised if you're asked to allow certain permissions here. For the purpose of this demonstration, I've already clicked the Allow button, so you can proceed with confidence. Moving forward, you'll need to create a new app for API access. Find the Create an App button, usually prominently displayed on the interface. Clicking it will prompt a dialog box where you're required to provide a name for your app. Choose a name that clearly denotes its purpose or functionality, ensuring it's something concise yet descriptive. Once you've named your app, hit the Create App button to proceed to the next steps. Now, after successfully creating the app, turn your attention to the API Credentials section. Clicking on this option is key, as it contains crucial information that allows your application to authenticate and safely communicate with Shopify's servers. These credentials include your API key and secret, which must be handled with care to prevent security breaches or unauthorized access. Throughout this process, make sure that you're mindful of the privacy implications and the proper handling of sensitive information. When dealing with API requests, understanding both what you're allowed to do and what is best practice can mean the difference between incremental progress and long-term success. So there you have it. By following these steps, you've now not only better understood how to make a Shopify API request, but also enhance the overall robustness of your online store's functionality. Stay tuned for more tips on boosting your e-commerce capabilities, and don't hesitate to explore the wide array of tools and integrations Shopify offers. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy developing!